What should you do in the first 10 minutes after you've been in a car crash that'll make or break your case? The first thing you need to do is call 911 and report that a crash has happened. Sometimes, for more minor crashes, the police will refuse to come. But just remember, every 911 call is recorded and they also take CAD reports. The other thing that's important to get from the police is a crash report. Sometimes you have to assist in the filling out of these documents, but make sure that you get that crash report because it has documentation in there about the liability of the crash that'll be really helpful with your case. The next important step is to document everything. Photos, videos of every car involved in the crash. If there's pieces of cars on the roadway, make sure that you're taking pictures or videos of that as well. While you're taking note of your surroundings and everything that's been involved in this crash, take a look around. Are you in a neighborhood? Do you see Ring doorbell cameras on these neighbors' houses? Are you at an intersection? Are there cameras on the intersection? Or are you near businesses that might have surveillance cameras on the exteriors of their building? Take note because we can get that video. If when you got in this crash, you notice there's anyone else in the area that also observed the crash, go talk to them. See if they'll give you their contact information. A lot of people are willing and able to help you, and if they are, just get their full name, their phone number, their email address, and their address. Your medical treatment is the most important part of your case. This is how you get back to the person you were before this crash happened. If you're offered an ambulance, take it. Take that ambulance to the emergency room so that you can find out what the true injuries that you have are. If you're not offered an ambulance, go straight to urgent care or take yourself to the emergency room. The value of your case is determined by the value of your injuries, which is often determined by the cost of that treatment. So if you are injured, go to the doctor. Let them tell you the treatment that you need and follow up regularly. The last thing you need to do is make sure you call your insurance. Remember that they need to know that you've been in a crash, and so you do need to report it to them. However, you're also probably going to get calls from the other person's insurance company. Despite what they might tell you, you are not required to give them a statement, and you shouldn't. They're going to try to lock you in to questions and answers and phrase things in a funky way to catch you in things so that they cannot pay you and compensate you for your injuries. Don't fall into that trap. Remember that the value of your case is determined by the value of your injuries, the value of your lost wages claim, and any pain and suffering that you have, capped by the policy limits of the case. If you've been in a crash, call Colburn Hindsey Milletta for a free consultation. We'll help you get back to where you were before this crash and get you compensated appropriately.